All right, so now we're heading into the World Celebration. We finished in the World Showcase. They definitely have a lot of flowers out for the Flower and Garden Festival. They are definitely everywhere. All right, now she's over here waving at Figment. Played her a little music. Over here we have Chip and Dale. You have Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, and Pluto. Then we have Phineas and Ferb over on this side. Around this way. You have the Creation Shop. And there's Figment. Then we got Figment here hiding amongst some flowers. Do you need to go in the Creation Shop? Sure. Of course you do. Over here we have Tow Mater and Lightning McQueen. And over here we have Groot. All right, now up here is Test Track. And Tiffany has already adamantly said, what? No, I'm not getting on that. She says, you'll see all my coffee and my snacks that I've had all day, and you don't want that. No. But yeah, here is Test Track. Now next to Test Track is Mission Space. I got Tiffany on that ride once, and I'll never get her again. I had to trick her on it the first time. But we do have Stitch over here by Mission Space. And then we do have Guardians of the Galaxy roller coaster. And this is unfortunately another one that, one, it has an 85-minute standby wait without a lightning lane. And two, Tiffany just said no. She said, I don't want to ride Guardians of the Galaxy. I want to ride Figment's Imagination and see Finding Nemo. Yeah. Don't act like you don't love you some Finding Nemo. All right, still heading towards the entrance. We are passing, are going to pass underneath Spaceship Earth right here, and we will be getting on that one here shortly. Then we have, what's his name, baby? From Toy Story 2. I forgot this bear's name, but Tiffany knows. What's the bear's name?
Lotso.
Lotso, okay. Got a monkey in the tree. We got Bo Peep and Woody. Buzz Lightyear, another monkey in the tree. Alright, and from the front of the park we have Spaceship Earth. That is where we're gonna head next. Says that one says it has about a 5-minute wait time. This is usually pretty quick. So we're gonna go ride this one. It's a nice air-conditioned sitting down ride for sore feet. All right, here we go. Now this is just basically a giant tram that continues all the way around. But it's going to take us all the way up into Spaceship Earth. Heading on up in.
Technology and the birth of a high-tech lust we enjoy today. Rome built the first worldwide road and it's leading us into the future. The libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the In 1450, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now, books make it easier to invent the future in innovation we call the Renaissance.
There's the word that Amelia Earhart and her playmates have
landed safe and sound in Wales. Today, June 19th, 1928, will forever be known as the day that she flew across the Atlantic and interviewed people around the world.
1969, from somewhere else.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
All right, now we're gonna head into the journey of water inspired by Moana. Tiffany's been really looking forward to this one. Oh, it's making music when you do it. Oh, she's like a big old little kid playing with the water. There's water splashing everywhere. And I believe this is one where, yep, you come over and wave your arms like a foolish person. If you want to make fun of people, this is how you do it. And Tiffany's going to participate, of course.
The higher you wave, the higher the water goes. You try it. Like, see it coming up?
Such a little kid. So you got the dry path and I guess the wet path. Which path are you going? All right, apparently she's going the wet path.
Oh, because you're walking through the...
Oh. Because you walk through a stream?
Yeah, you walk through the stream or you go over the bridge.
Oh, I gotcha. She gonna play with water again. Whoa! All right, this one over here tried to get me. Oh, that's why. Well, okay, I'm getting my shoes wet here. All right, admittedly, that is kind of fun. Might have to do that again. Let's try it again. Okay. It's hot out here. I can refresh. Oh, and this is where you go through the waterfall. I'm gonna go on the dry side. You don't want to go through the waterfall?
No.
It's the one that parts for you like a curtain, though.
Does it?
All right, here she comes. It should march for her. Just like that. And you don't even get wet. Is that your magical Moana powers?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need a Moana restroom?
No.
The water didn't make you have to use the water?
Mira, mira.
Yeah.
Esta la abuela fantasma. Claro, la abuela fantasma. There's a funny little...
And look at this guy. He's in there eating the attraction. Oh God, he's really getting after it. He too is living with the water and the land. It would make a great addition to a stew. Tiffany happens to like rabbit stew. All right, we have more interactions. You raise your arms, the water shoots up. That's right, baby. Show everybody at home how to do it. Apparently she made a big one.
These people are gonna think I'm nuts.
No. No one's gonna think you're crazy. Nobody but me, anyway.
Right, we gotta jump on it.
Okay.
It didn't work. Right? Nope, we gotta jump. Oh, man. Jump. Jump on it. Jump on it.
Oh, you step on it and whoa. You see the water over the...
Yeah, look, there's more. Oh, that's fun. Hold on.
And then the last one is the sky. Water knows the way. All right, so what did you think of that one?
I want to do it again.
You want to go again? Well, we can take you again if you want to.